Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I want to show you one quick tips and trick, which is removing this blue line or changing this blue line to whatever color that you are desired. So whenever you are creating any new table visual, you have seen that this blue line is by default coming, and you may feel like, oh, this is not as per my needs visual or the formatting needs, or not as per my organization guidelines of using this color. So how you can basically change it is something I want to show you. So make sure this visual is selected, and then you can go over here in the format your visual. In this you will find the option of grid. In this you have the border. In the border you have this color. So this color is something you can change to, let's say, gray, and you can see the line is now changed. Also you have the option of changing the width so that you can make it as much promising or basically prominent as much as possible as per your needs. But I leave it up to you as per your formatting needs, how much visible you want to make it. But very quickly, as you can see, I wanted to show you very straightforward way as to how it can do that. Now with that information, one thing, if you are landing to my channel very first time, what you should be aware about, all of my Power BI videos, which I keep it in the Power BI video tutorial sheet, which is a Google sheet, and I keep the link in the description. Now it has 300 plus videos. It has projects, decks, and Power Query, and lot many things. So you can come over here, utilize this for your benefit, and bookmark it so that whenever you need any topic, you can get it. Like these people are accessing it right now. As you can see, video link is here. So search any topic, go to the video link, and it's done. Now another thing is, if you are beginner and you are following it along with me, then you need a data set. So the link I have given in the description, which will take you to my Google groups, and in the Google groups, once you will join it, you will get a link which is a dataset folders link. And once you are here, you have this dataset sheet, and dataset sheet is nothing but over here you have the sample superstore dataset, which I am following, and in that you have the order sheet that you need to access. So this is something you can very easily get it, and and work with me alongside with the creating the same visual. I have used the category, profit, sum of sales. With that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video, the new topic.